This is a 2007 Land Rover LR3. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 4.4-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an air suspension, a locking center differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and hill descent control. The following features are included: dual power seats, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a premium sound system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, roof rails, energy-absorbing front crumple zones, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and this vehicle has less than 67,000 miles. Not to mention that this Land Rover qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Ed Martin, the only name you need to know for all your transportation needs. 6 convenient locations, 9 different manufacturers, over 3,000 new and used vehicles, all online at edmartin.com. Log on to edmartin.com today.